Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Absa Bank current account, designed to help you navigate and manage your account effectively. First, understanding the basics of a current account is essential. A current account is a type of transactional account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money as needed. To get the most out of your Absa Bank current account, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the account's features and benefits. To manage your account efficiently, start by setting up online banking and mobile banking services. These services enable you to monitor your account balance, track transactions, and perform various banking tasks from the comfort of your own space. Additionally, setting up account alerts will keep you informed about any transactions, helping you stay on top of your finances. Another key aspect is maintaining a healthy account balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid overdrafts and associated fees. Regularly reviewing your account statements will help you identify any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions, allowing you to report them to the bank promptly. When it comes to making transactions, it is vital to use secure payment methods. Absa Bank offers various payment options, including debit cards, online payments, and mobile payments. Always verify the recipient's details before making a payment to avoid any errors. To avoid unnecessary fees, understand the bank's fee structure. Familiarize yourself with charges associated with account maintenance, transactions, and overdrafts. By being mindful of these fees, you can make informed decisions about your account usage. Lastly, keeping your account information up to date is critical. Ensure your contact details, such as your address and phone number, are current, and notify the bank of any changes. This will enable the bank to communicate with you effectively and keep your account secure. In conclusion, by following these best practices, you can optimize your Absa Bank current account experience. Remember to stay informed, monitor your account regularly, and take advantage of the bank's services to manage your finances effectively.